Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. This video comes to you from a Western Kentucky cornfield where a John Deere 9610 Maximizer combine is harvesting the crop with an 893 8-row 30-inch corn head. This was John Deere's largest combine available at the end of the 20th century and the beginning of the 21st century. During the video, we'll take a look at the machine's production history, specifications, and original price tag. But first, let's head out to the field so you can see and hear all of this corn harvesting action. The John Deere 9610 Maximizer Combine is part of the company's 10 series of combines introduced in the late 20th century, which also includes the 204 bushel, 240 horsepower Model 9510 and the 182 bushel, 190 horsepower Model 9410. The 10 series Maximizer lineup replaced the popular Maximizer series, which included the 9600, 9500, and 9400, introduced in 1989 and manufactured through 1997. The 10 series Maximizer combines were manufactured at John Deere's Harvester Works in East Moline, Illinois from 1998 through the year 2000. The John Deere 9610 is the largest combine produced during that time period. It's powered by an 8.1 liter John Deere PowerTech 496 cubic inch engine rated at 275 horsepower. This turbocharged machine is fitted with a 140-gallon diesel fuel tank and features a hydrostatic variable 3-speed transmission. The grain, threshing, and separating components of the combine include a 64.5-inch wide cylinder that is 26 inches in diameter. It is a 5-straw walker machine, and the total cleaning area of the combine is 7,719 square inches. The specifications of the John Deere 9610 Maximizer combine is very similar to the 9600 Maximizer it replaced for model year 1998. There are some key features that were updated on the 9610. The first is the new Generation 2 concave, which improved threshing and increased separation, especially in high moisture corn. The combine also features a dual display tach with a digital concave indicator that allows for easy and precise concave adjustment. It also has a QuadraFlow Plus cleaning system that offers faster, easier adjustment of the pre-cleaner, chaffer, and sieve elements. The full body side shields on the combine improve airflow to the cleaning system and provide easier access for service. The rear discharge lights on the combine illuminate the residue discharge area. The combine's cab was updated with an improved seat suspension, sun visor, and larger storage compartment. John Deere's GreenStar systems, yield monitor, and moisture monitor were factory installed on the 9610. The 9610 Maximizer Combine is fitted with a 240 bushel grain tank that unloads at a rate of 2.2 bushels per second from a 21-foot 3-inch unloading auger. The combine's shipping weight is 25,400 pounds. The original price tag of the John Deere 9610 Maximizer was $150,978. The 9610 Maximizer Combine, harvesting corn in this video, is equipped with a John Deere 893 8-row 30-inch 20-foot wide corn head. This corn head was available during the entire production run of the 10 Series Maximizer Combines. The 893 corn head was introduced in 1993 and manufactured all the way through model year 2007, when it was replaced in 2008 by the model 608C corn head. The model 9610 Maximizer Combine replaced John Deere's popular 9600 Maximizer Combine, which was manufactured in East Moline, Illinois from 1989 through 1997. There were very few differences between the two machines. Key upgrades that were seen between the 9600 and the 9610 was a 15 horsepower jump to 275 horsepower on the 9610 from 260 horsepower on the 9600. Both machines were 240 bushel combines and featured a 140 gallon diesel fuel tank. The shipping weight on a 9600 was slightly less than the 9610 at 25,070 pounds. The price tag on a 9600 Maximizer Combine was $128,282. The 9610 Maximizer Combine was replaced in John Deere's combine lineup in the fall of 2000 by the 9650. The specifications of the two combines are very similar. Both the 9650 and 9610 are 275 horsepower, 240 bushel machines. A few changes that came along in the 9650 were new styling on the outside, especially around the rotary air screen in the engine area. The fuel capacity of the 9650 jumped up to 150 gallons, 10 more than the 9610. The width of the cylinder on the combine increased by just 1 inch up to 65.5 inches wide, while the diameter remained at 26 inches. The 9650's Green Star data collection system was upgraded, as well as the shipping weight jumping up to 25,580 pounds. The 9650 was manufactured from 2000 through 2003 in East Moline, Illinois. Its original price tag was $195,362. I'm up in the cab of the John Deere 9610 Maximizer Combine, and we can take a good look of the farmer's view from the cab. It's a nice spacious cab in the Maximizer line. You can also see that 893 corn head taking in 8 rows of 30-inch corn. This combine was really the peak of the Maximizer series in the late 1990s, and just a really overall impressive machine for its era. Top machine at that time. It's still a really solid and popular combine 2 decades later. We can see the operator has a good view with mirrors here of the side of the machine. All of the information about the controls is right up here on the roof line, and you have your radio right here, as well as your monitors on the cab post. And that was a big upgrade for the Maximizer combines. Your controls are over here on the right hand side armrest, as far as pushing it forward, controlling your header and your unloading auger. It has the old-fashioned now steering wheel. This combine was one of the first to use data collection in the late 1990s. It was just a little before auto steer began to take over the big machines. can see back here in the grain bin, good view from the operator's chair, and we can see all that nice corn pouring in the bin. I hope you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field hearing and seeing, as well as learning about the John Deere 9610 Maximizer Combine as it harvests corn. I'd like to hear in the comments section below this video if your farming operation uses a John Deere Combine. Tell me which model that you're running and what types of crops that you harvest with it. If you've enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you'd like to see additional corn harvesting content on this channel, continue to watch the video for a few more seconds of the end screen for direct links to additional Big Tractor Power YouTube videos. As always, thank you for watching.